You need 2 rubber
Today
bands for 1 page.
is Thursday the 26th, I believe, and we're going through a bad situation where they cannot find masks, any kind of filter, any kind of protection. We are improvising to help everybody out there protect themselves and their families and their grandparents. I mean, if they can't find filters, everywhere you go, it's like it's a hit or miss, and if you find it, you're lucky. But here we have an abundance of this blue paper towel. It's a shop towel. It's very durable. Um, they use it for the mechanics to clean up their hands and stuff like that, and it's pretty thick, and you can breathe easily through it, no problem. So basically, what you're gonna need is a roll of that, staples, and 2 rubber bands. Here we already made 2, but I'm gonna work through the steps real quick on how to make it. We're gonna detach the piece like this, and we're gonna fold one in, one out, one in, one out, one in, one out, and one in. Right, and right now what we're gonna do is just fold one tab in, get a rubber band, lay it there, feed it through right now, and you're gonna hold it. One person can do this, or you can have a couple of extra hands. And we're gonna grab the stapler. Stapler will go in there, feed it through, and just go over where the rubber band's at. Okay. You can use it 2 or 3 times, staple it, but it's still sturdy. Same thing on the other end, another piece of rubber band. Fold it, feed it through. Try not to get the rubber band, because then you'll break the rubber band. Here we have 2 of them, sturdy. This one just got a little bit through, which it's okay, because you can always put another staple. Staples won't hurt you. It's thick enough where it's going to go right through. Okay, and how you open it is stick this on your face like this, put it over, and then slide it open, and it's nice and snug because the rubber bands are elastic, so it's going to pull close to your face. So right now you got protection. You don't even have to have a tab over your nose because it's sealed all the way around. The rubber band is doing all the work. So I hope this helps everybody. I hope everybody says a prayer and help their neighbors, and just to spread it, that this is an easy way to help prevent any more of the virus from spreading. Thank you all, guys, and have a great day. It's going to help my family. I hope it helps your family. Have a great day.